Hi guys, let's understand question 4. Differentiate with respect to x the function sine inverse x square root of x where x is greater than 0 and is less than equal to 1. The answer is given function is fx is equal to sine inverse x square root of x where x is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. Now differentiation with respect to x is f dash x is equal to d of fx by dx is equal to d of sine inverse x root x divided by dx, which is again equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x root x whole square into d of x root x divided by dx, which is equal to 1 by under root of 1 minus x cube into 1 into root x plus x into 1 by 2 root x, which is equal to 1 divided by under root of 1 minus x cube into 3 root x divided by 2, which is equal to 3 by 2 under root of x divided by 1 minus x cube. Therefore, differentiation with respect to x is 3 by 2 under root of x divided by 1 minus x cube.